Would you believe that one food eaten before exercise could increase your strength by 50%? Today, we completely reveal the identity of this amazing food that countless athletes and bodybuilders secretly use. After learning this shocking truth, backed by scientific evidence, your workout routine will completely change. The food is beetroot. Yes, that's right, it's beetroot. That red root vegetable commonly eaten in salads or juices is the superfood that dramatically improves exercise performance. But simply eating beetroot doesn't increase strength. The key lies in a special component called nitrates found in beetroot. Let's explore the magic these nitrates work in our bodies. Groundbreaking research from University of Exeter Sports Science showed athletes who drank beetroot juice had an average 52% strength increase compared to those who didn't. This wasn't simple coincidence but a result of clear biochemical mechanisms. First reason: blood vessel dilation and increased oxygen supply. When nitrates from beetroot enter our body, they convert to nitrites and ultimately transform into nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is the key to strength enhancement. Nitric oxide is a powerful signaling molecule that dilates blood vessels. When blood vessels expand, blood flow to muscles dramatically increases, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to muscles. Stanford Medical School research team measurements showed muscle blood flow increased 38% just 2 hours after beetroot juice consumption. This creates an environment where muscles can contract stronger and longer. In experiments with athletes, the beetroot juice group could lift an average 15% more weight in bench press compared to the placebo group. Second reason: improved mitochondrial efficiency. Beetroot nitrates significantly improve efficiency of mitochondria within muscle cells. Mitochondria are cellular powerhouses that produce ATP needed for muscle contraction. Harvard Medical School cell biology research found mitochondrial ATP production efficiency increased 22% after nitrate consumption. This means producing more energy with the same amount of oxygen. This shows remarkable effects especially in high-intensity exercise. Even when muscles rapidly consume energy, sufficient ATP supply enables longer exercise without strength decline. Liverpool University researchers found cyclists who drank beetroot juice could sustain the same intensity exercise 16% longer. Third reason: direct increase in muscle contraction force. The most surprising discovery is that beetroot nitrates directly increase the contractile force of muscle fibers themselves. This goes beyond simple blood flow increase or energy supply improvement. UCLA Muscle Physiology Research Team discovered nitrates increase calcium ion sensitivity within muscle cells. Calcium ions signal muscle contraction, and increased sensitivity enables stronger muscle contraction with the same nerve stimulus. Laboratory experiments on isolated muscle fibers showed nitrate-treated fibers had 41% increased maximum contractile force compared to untreated ones. This means pre-exercise beetroot juice consumption fundamentally improves muscle performance beyond simple supplement effects. Fourth reason: delayed lactic acid accumulation. During high-intensity exercise, lactic acid accumulation in muscles causes rapid fatigue, increase and decreased exercise capacity. Beetroot nitrates have amazing effects delaying this lactic acid buildup. Norwegian School of Sports Sciences research showed athletes consuming beetroot juice had 28% lower blood lactate levels than controls. This means less fatigue substances accumulate despite same exercise intensity. This occurs because nitrates improve pH regulation ability within muscle cells. Muscles can function longer even in acidic environments, helping both endurance and strength. German Sport University Cologne research found the beetroot juice group could complete an average 19% more repetitions in high-intensity interval training. Here's a question for you. What do you eat before exercise? Please let us know in the comments. Fifth reason: improved neuromuscular efficiency. Beetroot nitrates also improve efficiency of nerve signals transmitted from brain to muscles. This is another important mechanism for exercise performance enhancement. Johns Hopkins University neuroscience research found nerve transmission speed from motor cortex to muscles increased 12% after nitrate consumption. This enables faster and more accurate muscle recruitment. This particularly helps in explosive movements or exercises requiring precise actions. Even with same intention, more muscle fibers activate simultaneously to generate greater force. Griffith University sports science experiments showed athletes drinking beetroot juice averaged 8% improvement in vertical jump height. Sixth reason: anti-inflammatory effects. Intense exercise causes microscopic damage and inflammation in muscles. Antioxidant components in beetroot suppress these inflammatory responses, maintaining optimal muscle function during exercise. Tufts University nutritional science research reported beetroot juice consumption reduced post-exercise inflammatory markers by 35%. Less inflammation allows muscles to function more efficiently. Additionally, betaine in beetroot helps protect muscle cells and maintain fluid balance. This reduces muscle fatigue during exercise and enables sustained force output. University of California Davis research found betaine consumption increased total exercise volume by 23% during strength training. Seventh reason: blood pressure optimization. Appropriate blood pressure levels are crucial for exercise performance. Beetroot nitrates regulate blood pressure to optimal levels, maximizing cardiovascular system efficiency during exercise. Queen Mary University of London cardiovascular medicine research reported systolic blood pressure decreased an average 5 mm of mercury just 3 hours after beetroot juice consumption. This enables more efficient heart blood pumping. Appropriate blood pressure reduction reduces heart burden and allows more energy focus on muscle exercise. This shows even greater effects for people with high blood pressure tendencies. Maastricht University Netherlands researchers found hypertensive patients drinking beetroot juice had 14% improved exercise tolerance. Eighth reason: increased muscle recovery speed. Beetroot effects appear not only during exercise, but also in post-exercise recovery. Faster recovery enables better performance in next sets or subsequent exercises. University of Bologna sports medicine research reported athletes consuming beetroot juice had 26% faster muscle recovery speed. This means being able to handle more exercise volume within the same session. This occurs because nitrates promote muscle cell damage, repair processes, and help remove waste products. This effect is especially pronounced in high-intensity exercises with short rest periods between sets. Karolinska Institute Sweden experiments show the beetroot juice group had 12% less strength decline in second sets compared to first sets after identical rest periods. Ninth reason: simultaneous enhancement of endurance and strength. Generally, endurance and strength are considered to have conflicting relationships. However, beetroot nitrates show amazing effects, improving both simultaneously. University of Copenhagen Exercise Physiology Comprehensive Research found beetroot juice consumption simultaneously increased maximum strength by 18% and muscular endurance by 31%. This occurs because nitrates positively affect both fast-twitch and slow-twitch muscle fibers. They improve efficiency of fast-twitch fibers that generate explosive power, while also improving oxygen utilization. Capacity of slow-twitch fibers that sustain prolonged force. University of São Paulo, Brazil researchers found athletes drinking beetroot juice showed average 11% improvement in 1-arm tests, while simultaneously increasing repetitions possible with same weight by 24%. Optimal beetroot consumption method. Now let's learn how to consume beetroot properly. Following correct methods is essential to maximize effects. First is timing. Consuming 2 to 3 hours before exercise is most effective. This is when blood nitrate concentration reaches peak levels. Second is dosage. For 70 kg body weight, 8 millimoles of nitrates is appropriate. This equals about 300 grams raw beetroot or 500 milliliters beetroot juice. Third is form. Juice form absorbs faster and is more effective than raw beetroot. However, Fresh beetroot juice made directly is better than processed commercial juices. Fourth is precautions. Mouthwash or antibiotics can interfere with nitrate conversion, so avoid use 4 hours before and after beetroot consumption. Real athlete testimonials. Many athletes using beetroot have experienced amazing effects. Professional bodybuilder Kim testified, training intensity completely changed after consuming beetroot juice during competition preparation. I could do the same repetitions with 20% heavier weight than usual. Marathon runner Park said, "The wall I felt at 30 kilometers almost disappeared. I felt strength maintained until the end." CrossFit athlete Lee reported, "I could do 15 pull-ups when my usual limit was." 1 glass of beetroot before exercise can completely change your exercise life. Experience this amazing scientifically proven effect yourself. If today's video helped you, please hit subscribe and like buttons and set notifications. We'll return with information to help you become healthier and stronger.